In this video, I will unbox and review the Killer brand raincoat. For those that don't know, Killer is actually an Indian brand with a strong global presence. I've always been a fan of Killer jeans and the quality they offer, and this was no exception. The quality of the pouch itself is very good, and I seriously don't know how Killer is making a profit out of this. The pouch has a zipper at the back which is very smooth. I actually ordered thinking what would be a black colored raincoat, but it turned out to be a navy blue color instead. And when we go to the official website, it actually says it's navy blue color. The quality of the fabric is really exceptional for the price you pay, and talking about the price, this usually runs almost at 1/3 its MRP. This is a size M medium rainwear or rain shield. I'm about 5 feet 10 and this raincoat fits me perfectly. Only go for size large if you're overweight and is over 6 feet tall. The fabric is polyester and feels very smooth. Okay, so let's just quickly do a complete tour of this raincoat, so stick around with me.